Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. And welcome. Oh, it's afternoon. Sorry, it's afternoon here in Nigeria. Sorry. Good afternoon. You're welcome to Lifestyle Victoria's. Yes, Lifestyle Victoria's math section. Yes, this is where we'll do the mental maths, mental puzzle, quiz, challenges, brain teasers. Yeah, you're in the right place. You're in the right place. This is where we create puzzles. Yeah, puzzles, real puzzles, different logical puzzles you can think of. So you're in the right place if you love maths quiz, maths test, puzzle, logic, maths reasoning, test or quizzes. You're in the right place. So I'm welcoming you once again. Welcome to Lifestyle Tutorials. Okay, as you can see, the puzzle is already in front of us. Yes, the puzzle is in front of us. I just say, let me just allow you people to just look at it. Then I will come up and talk to you. Hmm. So as you can see, this is a live brain workout. Live brain workout is a live stream maths. So you're seeing it and you're solving it. I'm expecting you to put your answers in the chat. And please don't forget to put in the method you use in arriving at your answers. I've already seen some answers coming in. Yeah, some answers are quite intriguing. Yes. So I'm looking at the answers. Yes. At the end of the puzzle, I'm going to reveal the answer to everybody. I'm going to solve how I arrive at this answer. Like the first one is question mark equals 96. That's unknown equals 96. So what is the unknown equals 96? That's a real puzzle. That's a real puzzle. So how are you going to do this? I wonder. So the next one is 4 plus 5 equals unknown. 4 plus 5 equals unknown. Before I go on, let me make this clear. No matter the kind of maths you know, the maths our teachers have taught us, please, before you attempt this puzzle or before you solve this puzzle, just put that aside. We are not doing normal arithmetic. We are not doing normal mathematics. So you will just put what you know aside. Put the maths you know aside. Those 1 plus 1, 2, 3 plus 4, 7. Those maths, we have to put those maths aside. Just focus on what you're saying. This is a puzzle. This is a puzzle. So you have to identify the pattern I use, the rule I use to get this resultant, the rules I use to get this answer. You understand? So just put the normal maths, the normal arithmetic that we know, that we were taught in school. Just put it aside. We are not working on those ones. This is not those kind of maths. So you just put that aside. Then you just focus on what is in front of you. What is in front of you is a puzzle. What is in front of you is logic. The hint I gave was reverse logic. Yeah, reverse logic. So there is now a step backwards to do this puzzle. But truth be told, this puzzle is not difficult. Yes, the puzzle is not difficult. I'll tell you for free. Let me speak our Nigerian English that people used to use. They'll say, I'll tell you for free. I'll tell you for free that this puzzle is not difficult. Okay, it's not difficult. So this puzzle we do is a puzzle we do to like energize our brain. This puzzle that we do, it helps us to energize our brain because we use the brain for so many things, so many hard thinking, stressful things. So this one is like an energizer to just energize the brain, filter all those stress in the brain. This puzzle relaxes the brain because it's not a tough thing. It's something you're doing at your leisure. You're just relaxing and just doing. You remember, I used to like a word crosswords. Yeah, crosswords. Yeah, I used to like those puzzles. Those ones are in English. They'll give you the letters, the alphabet. Sorry, they'll just put the alphabets here and there, just anyhow. Then they will now bring out a word, telling you to search for that word. This one is like the mass of it. This is like a mass of it. Yeah, this is a mass of it. So this puzzle helps us to stretch. It's not stress, it stretch the brain. It relaxes the brain. It helps you to think positively, calmly. Are you hearing my voice? It helps us to think positively. It helps us to think calmly. Yeah, it puts the brain in a relaxed form. When you're doing this puzzle, it puts the brain in a relaxed form because you're doing it with all happiness, all joy. It's not an exam. It's not stressing you. You're just doing it as if, oh, let me check this thing. Okay, let me try. Let me see. Okay, brain, wear your thinking cap. Let's do it. So when you're doing this puzzle, you don't need to rush this puzzle. No, you don't need to rush it. No time limit. You don't need to rush it. You just pick up your pen, pick up your paper, you just put it down. Okay, this. Why this? 4 plus 5 is what? What is this person? What is she saying? What does she want to arrive at? No, 4 plus 5 equals what? Our normal mathematics will just tell you 9. But right now, we are not looking at our normal mathematics. We are looking at a puzzle. Yeah, a puzzle. You're looking at a pattern that has its own rule. And every rule is different from the previous rule. You understand? Every rule is different from the previous rule. So you'll not think, how come? Yeah, what does she want? So when you put that in mind, you will not push yourself forward. You will not push your brain forward. Let's tackle it. Good. So I've explained enough about the puzzle. So let me see. Question mark equals 96. 4 plus 5 is unknown. 6 plus 7 is unknown. You see? So make the puzzle real. I want to see your answers. I've already seen answers coming in. I've already seen answers coming in. You understand? Yeah. So I won't reveal my answer. I won't reveal my answer yet till at least let me see the numbers. Let me see the numbers of the viewers and let me see if I will start after some time. So I'm giving time to everybody to send in their result, their answers. Then after that, I will drop I always solve it. I always solve it. So But after solving, I will still leave it for some time so that more people can still check. But right now, let me appreciate those that have already joined the live and have started dropping their answers. Okay, this user said 24. Hi, the name is not there. Captain John said hi. Then U9C said hi. Then V4X said hi. V4X said it's 34. Okay, Williams deleted his answer. Okay, Joan said 8 plus 4, 36, 78. Okay, no, I think it's supposed to be like three different answers. No problem. Hi, Joan. Thank you again for joining me. Tudor Retroska. Tudor Retroska said 2 plus 3, 2020, 4942. Till then, we'll know which one is the answer. If it is 2020 or 2026, we'll know which one will be the answer. Okay, Tropical Storm. Tropical Storm said 8 plus 4, 96. 4 plus 5, 36. 6 plus 7, 78. No problem, Tropical Storm. We'll look at it at the end of the quiz. Okay, Williams Daniels came back and said 3 plus 2, 34, 48. Okay, Henrietta 2 plus 3, 96. Okay. Hi, Henrietta. Good morning. Oh, good afternoon. Thank you for joining me again. Henrietta is always there. Henrietta, I appreciate you for always joining me. Okay, so Haruna sorry, Korean, Japan, Chinese names. I don't know your alphabet, so I don't know how to call your name. So I always take the last number, figures, and just use it to represent you. I'm really sorry about that. So 2 plus 3, he said stroke 1512 stroke 1412. Okay, Oliver said 2 plus 3, 96, 4 plus 5, 20. Okay, 2,520. 6 plus 7, 4,942. Okay, Bashmiran Madwaranch. Okay, he said hi. Okay, Hopen said 8 plus 9, 96, 6 plus 7, 72. Okay, he's writing the other one. 4 plus 5, 48. Okay, no problem. Thank you. Then O5Q said, hi to my dear. Nigra Soma. Okay, you removed your answer. Philipporoso. Hi, Philipporoso. Okay, S39 removed his, deleted his message. Okay, Nigra Soma said 7 plus 45 minus 16 equals 76. Okay, S3N said 9 plus 6, 45, 67. Okay, thank you very much for that. Vitaly said 2 plus 3. Okay, Philipporoso said 40 plus 46 equals 96. 4 plus 5 equals 9. 6 plus 7 equals 13. I told you that you should just remove that normal mathematics we know. Just remove that before you start attempting or solving this puzzle. Okay, Vitaly again said, hi, Vitaly, hi. Aquila, hi. Cam square, also 90 plus 6 is 96. Thank you. Cam square said is 9. Cam square said 13. Okay, Sarah Go said 34 plus 35. Okay. N5S said hi. He retired than, okay. He retired than Dole for 3 months. Okay. 90 plus 6 is 96. 4 plus 5 is 9. 6 plus 7 is 13. Okay, he retired for 3 months. He said, okay, retired and died. It's now I'm looking at the name. I'll just pronounce it in this thing. Okay. Oh, Jesus me. What a name. I retired and died for 3 months. He said easy. Your name is okay, he said Pizzy. Okay, he said lemon. Thank you very much. He said squeezy. Hey, okay. Okay. That's easy. Okay. Yes, too easy for me. Thank you. I have a gigantic brain. Praise God. Oh, God, you really got me with all this that you're writing. I retired and died for 3 months. You're just making me to laugh. I don't know again. Oh, thank you very much all the same. Eh, I don't know what to say. Thank you very much. Please, I'm waiting for more answers, more answers. Bring in your answers, bring in your answers so that I can come up and unveil or reveal the answer so that you know the rule behind this puzzle that you're seeing. Yes, the rule behind this puzzle that you're seeing. This puzzle is a puzzle that you reason. Yeah, it's reasoning. It's not just putting down what you have there. You reason, you solve it. One, you identify the pattern. You identify the pattern and solve the puzzle. Good. Identify the pattern and solve the puzzle. So let me mute my mic and wait. Once it's time, I'll solve it. So thank you very much for joining me. Waiting for your answers. Over to you right now. Okay, I retired and died for 3 months. Your name alone, I don't know what to say about the name you've used, but thank you for joining me. You gave me lemon, you squeezed it and all that and all that. I appreciate it. Okay, right now you said 583 plus 200. Even the normal arithmetic, oh Jesus. I retired and died for 3 months. Are you saying I should solve this for you? Should I solve for you? Are you giving me your own puzzle? Let me know. If you're giving me your own puzzle, let me know. Send it forth. Let me know so that I can solve, because my pen and paper is just by me. The one I gave you, you've not solved. They'll give. Okay, sure. I can solve hard mathematical question. Watch. Fine, I'm waiting. Carry on. The floor is yours. I'm waiting. 0/0. Nullity. Okay. Okay. You can solve very hard mathematical questions. Okay. I'll challenge you. I'll drop one just for you. When I will set it, I'll say just for you. Will that be okay? Will that be okay? I should give you an equation only you will solve. Gonna be 0 cookies divided by 0 friends. No cookies, no friends now. Equals nullity. Okay. Because friends don't even exist. I say, hey, now 0 cookies, no friends now. So it's 0 now. Because friends don't even exist. It's escalated as quickly as my brain calculates. It's good to know you. Please, where are you watching me from? Let me know where you're watching me from. Okay, another one. 92720. Okay. You're really a mathematician. No? I'll borrow some from you. Where are you watching me from? Let me know where you're watching me from, so that I will add you to my friends. Eh? I will add it to the list of my friends. Uh-oh. Okay, solve this last one for me now. Eh? Okay. Okay, I retired and died for 3. I'm seeing your this thing. It says 0 is blank. Yeah. Yeah, you said I have 6 grams. Okay, you have 3 gig internet. Oh, that's lovely. That's lovely. So it says 6G plus 2G is 8G. Good. That's the normal mathematics we know. Yeah, that's normal mathematics. You said G plus G is 2G. You're right. Okay, Francis. Francis said 2 plus 3, 96. 4 plus 5, 25, 2,520. 6 plus 7, 4,942. Okay, no, you got it wrong. Oh, okay, no problem. We'll check. We'll check. Don't worry. 6 plus 7, yeah. Normal arithmetic, 6 plus 7 is 13. Yeah, I've seen that. Oh, it's easy. No problem. No problem. Ooh. We've entered the ibuprofen. Are you a pharmacist? Are you a pharmacist? You've entered ibuprofen. Yes, you're the smartest. That's nice. That's nice. Okay. Clap for you. You're the smartest. That's nice. Super, super easy for you. No problem. We'll know at the end of this quiz. We'll know at the end of this quiz. Yes, we'll know that. That's true. We'll know that at the end of the quiz. Thank you. Just stand by. Just stay by. Don't worry. At the end of the quiz, we'll know who is the smartest. Yes, yes, we'll know that. Thank you very much for joining me. You said finally, snow moon appears any night. Oh, snow moon. Is there anything like snow moon? Snow moon. This is the first time I'm hearing it too. Snow moon. Hmm. I don't know about that one. Let me see. Snow moon. Is there a special moon for snow? Let me see. Okay, okay. I just googled it. Yeah, the snow moon is the traditional name for the full moon in February. Okay. Thank you. You've taught me something now. It got that name because February usually brings the heaviest snowfall in many parts of the northern hemisphere. Okay. A bit cold bits. Okay, it's a bit cool. Other old names include Hunger Moon, Food Was Scarce, and Storm Moon. Eh, oh, why? Try Canva, try Canva and do your editing there. Try Canva. Okay, it says spiritually people associate it with. Okay, I don't understand all this that you're putting down. I don't understand this. Okay. Spiritually, people associate it with cleansing, endurance, and quiet strength. Okay. Astronomically, it's just a normal moon. The magic is in the meaning humans gave it. Okay, Francis, I will do that. I will do that at the end of the quiz. Yes, I'll do that at the end of the quiz. Just give me some time. I want more people to see this before I start dropping my solution. Yeah, I'll do that. You can come back later and visit the channel. I'll do that at the end of the quiz. Thank you very much. Okay. Okay, Francis, what you will do, just take down my channel name, Lifestyle Victorious. Yes, Lifestyle Victorious. If you just go up, you will see my small picture close to subscribe. So just click on it. If you click on it, it will take you to my channel. You can just write down my channel name. Yeah, that's what you do. So just check it. You will see a small picture, a picture frame. Just click on that picture. It will take you to my channel. Once you get to my channel, just take my channel name, just write it down. Yeah, then later you go back and check. When you go back and check, you will see it. You will see the video. Yes. So, are you okay, Francis? No, see what you do. Francis, see what you do. You're there now. You're in my channel. So if you look up, you will see a small frame. You will see my picture there. You will see my picture with my name. The channel name is Lifestyle Victorious. You see my picture. Just click on the picture. Francis, just click on that small picture. When you click on the picture, it has taken you to my channel. So just write down the name, Lifestyle Victorious. Then you join back later. You join back later, yeah, to see the answer. Francis, are you okay? If you are not okay, I don't mind. Francis, if you are not okay, say you are not okay. I don't mind putting down the answer right now. Just tell me. Do you want me to put down the answer right now? Just reply me. If you're okay and you want me to put down the answer right now, I can do it right now. Okay, I should do that. No problem. Okay, let me come closer. Okay. So, it's time to reveal our answer. Francis wants me to reveal my answer. Okay, let's start. So the top value is this 96. 96 is the sum of these two. This 96, if you add this, the answer you get here, the answer you get here, when you add them together, it will give you 96. So the top value of 96 is the sum of this and this. Is it okay? So let me do it this way. I'll shift it a bit. Let me do it this way. So 4 plus 5, that's the result. The result. Plus 6 plus 7, result. is equals 96. So the summation of this, that's the result you will get from here, the result you will get here, and the result you will get from here. When you add those two results, it will give you 96. So now, how do we get these results? So the first step is A plus B. Let me write it down. A plus B times okay, let me not confuse you. Let me just go direct so that we can just get it. So 4 plus 5, the first thing is equals to unknown. So you say 4 times 5 is equals 20. Then 4 plus 5 is equals 9. Then you now say 20 plus 9 equals 29. That's for the first one. I'll still move my this thing so that I'll be able to get space. So we've done for this other aspect. So let's do for 6 plus 7 equals unknown. So you now do it again. 6 times 7 is equals 42. 6 plus 7 is equals 13. 42 plus 13 is equals 55. Equals to, let me put it here, equals to 55. That place is hidden. Okay, let me do it minus. Equals to 55. So now to get this number and this number, so we now said question mark equals 96. So you bring this number that you've gotten, 29 plus 55. 29 plus 55 is equals to what? That's 96. 5 plus this, is it 96? Let me see. 5, 29. This plus this. No, 4. 84. Sorry, I made mistake here now. It's 84. Sorry. So this plus this is 4. You carry 1. This plus this 7. So it's 84. Sorry, I made mistake. It's 84. So this is the answer. That's the answer. This times this 20, this plus this 9, 29. This times this 42. This plus this 13. This plus this 5. This plus this 5, 55. So 29 plus 55. 5 plus 9, 4. You write 4, take 1. 5 plus this 7 plus 1 is 84. So Francis, are you okay? It's 84. So this is 29. Let me use a different color, but I'm already use this one. Francis, are you okay now? That's nice. Thank you. Thank you for the correction. Yeah, thank you. So that's how to go about it. Yeah, thank you very much, Francis. Thank you. Okay, thank you, Francis. God bless you too. After now, maybe after like 30, 40 minutes, I'm going to put out another live. I'm going to stream another one. So if you don't mind, Francis, you can still come back. You can still come back for that live. Yeah. After this, I'm putting out another one. Well, let me try if this thing can cover everything. Let me see. So I'm still going to do another live after this. Yeah. Still going to do another live after this one. So